1957 Cadillac Eldorado Broom. Price: $26,500. Location: Ohio, USA. The 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Broom is not just another classic American car, it is one of the most exclusive luxury automobiles ever produced by Cadillac. With only 400 units built for the 1957 model year, this remarkable machine represents the pinnacle of American engineering, style, and prestige during the golden age of motoring. Finished in its original ebony black factory color, this rare survivor offers collectors a unique opportunity to own a true automotive legend. The exterior design remains breathtaking even after nearly 70 years. The stainless steel roof panel, dramatic tail fins, massive chrome bumpers, and distinctive rear-hinged suicide doors create a presence unlike anything else on the road. Every detail was designed to showcase Cadillac's vision of the future, making the Eldorado Broom one of the most recognizable luxury cars of the 1950s. Even as a restoration project, its elegance and exclusivity are impossible to ignore. The power comes from Cadillac's famous 365 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. This combination delivered smooth acceleration, effortless cruising, and the refined driving experience expected from a flagship luxury automobile. In its day, the Eldorado Broom was engineered to compete with the finest luxury vehicles in the world, proving that American manufacturers could match or even surpass their European rivals. The interior was designed to feel more like a private executive lounge than a conventional automobile cabin. Finished in light blue and blue Cardiff pattern cloth upholstery, the spacious interior offered exceptional comfort and sophistication. Premium materials, a push-button radio, and a fender-mounted antenna reflected Cadillac's commitment to luxury and innovation. Every journey was intended to be a first-class experience for both driver and passengers. The most fascinating feature may be the revolutionary Autronic Eye system. Mounted on the dashboard, this advanced technology automatically adjusted the vehicle's high-beam headlights when detecting approaching traffic. In 1957, this feature seemed almost futuristic and demonstrated Cadillac's willingness to push technological boundaries decades ahead of many competitors. It remains one of the most impressive innovations found on a production car of its era. The original price of the Eldorado Broom was so high that it exceeded the cost of many contemporary Rolls-Royce models. That extraordinary price reflected the handcrafted construction, advanced engineering, and exclusive nature of the vehicle. Cadillac intended this model to serve as the ultimate expression of American luxury, and it succeeded beyond expectations. The opportunity to restore a genuine 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Broom is becoming increasingly rare.